we are going to marinate our whole chicken. Okay? So guys, ito na yung ating manok. Half cup of soy sauce, peppercorn, oyster sauce, 2 pieces of star anise. We have a calamansi leaves, laurel leaves. We also got here our lemongrass, and we have here our garlic. Okay, and also we have our calamansi juice. So now we are going to start. Ipasok ko dito lemongrass. Konting garlic, konting calamansi leaves, at saka dalawang laurel, konting peppercorn. Okay? So yun. So lagyan natin na konting soy sauce inside. So, ilagay na natin guys ang ating soy sauce. Ilagay na natin peppercorn, ang ating oyster sauce, or oyster anise, laurel leaf, and calamansi leaves, plus the garlic. So yan natin, i-mix natin ito guys. So yan ang ating oyster sauce. Ganda naman. At ilagay natin ang ating calamansi juice. Ilagay ko siya sa fridge. Pero ilagay ko na siya sa fridge guys. Para sureable tayo dyan. At malagay tayo ng konting asin. Malagay tayo ng konting asin inside. Bukas na tayo magdagdag guys kung ano pang kailangan ha. Sa ngayon yan lang muna. Good morning guys, umpisahan na natin ang ating pag-brown ng ating whole chicken. Okay? So I put a little bit of oil in our frying pan. Mainit na siya guys, ilagay natin ang ating chicken. This is our whole chicken. So guys, ang ating chicken guys, na ilagay na natin sa ating wok. At maglagay ako ng Coke Zero. One cup. So, 2 cups lang guys. I-flip over lang natin siya. 2 cups of Coke Zero.
kumulo ng malakas guys, sinaan natin ang apoy. Hindi pa kumukulo ng malakas. Hinaan na natin ang apoy guys. Yung itatakip ko muna kasi yung pangtakip ko bad. So guys, ipapakita ko na sa inyo. Wow! Parang mabango na siya guys. Yun. Takpan natin ng ulit. Napakabango na guys. Masarap in Coke Zero. So it is 1 hour guys. Nakita niyo na. It is 1 hour. Malapit na yan guys. Okay, kita ninyo na. Yan lang ang ginawa ko guys. Hands up! Malaki siya kasi kailangan kong hinaan pa ang apoy at isi-simmer pa siya guys kasi siya 1 kilograms and 1/4. 1 kilograms and 1/4 na ni malapit na siyang mag 1 and 1/4 kilograms kasi point something na lang kulang. So ito na. 1 hour na siya. So guys, this is now our chicken. Boom, boom, boom. That's our chicken, guys. Look at guys. Oh, chicken in Coke Zero. Napakasarap. See? Napaka-thick ang lagyan ko pa ng kunong tubig guys kasi napaka-thick ang thick pa. Napaka-thick. Tingnan nyo guys. See? See? Guys, ito. Wow! Guys, we're almost done. Mag-plaitings na tayo guys. This is our final product. This is a whole chicken in Coke Zero. Whole chicken in Coke Zero guys. Napakasarap. Kita ninyo guys. So yes. Yes. So mag-plaitings na tayo guys. Okay? So, maglagay na tayo guys ng ating sauce na sa ating chicken. Ilalagay lang natin dito lahat guys. Ito na yung ating tsaka ito ko yung onion ring. Masyadong may sauce siya, guys. So, dito ko na lang siya ilagay sa gilid lang yung ating vegetables. Kasi pag ilagay natin siya sa ano, guys, magkaano siya ng sauce natin. Okay, that's our veggies. Guys, natapos ko nang naluto yung ating whole chicken in Coke Zero. Okay? Okay. This is a whole chicken in Coke Zero. Okay? So, nailuto natin, guys, ng 2 hours. So, thank you for watching to my channel, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and